how to buy Bitcoin and Dogecoin or other cryptocurrency for Hawaii residents.
Digital currency is different from the traditional currency, or known as paper money.
That's right, you can now purchase Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and other cryptocurrency if you live in Hawaii now. Android Hawaii is going to teach you the tech side of things here when it comes to purchasing Bitcoin and cryptocurrency so that you can make sense of it. Now, there are going to be a few things that you're going to need, so here's your list. The first thing you're going to need is peace and quiet because there's a lot of information here. So number one is going to be time. You're going to need time to do this. You're also going to need your smartphone, a pen and paper, 2 envelopes, and you're going to need your state driver's license or state ID, and you're going to need your checking account information. If you need to go grab these things, go ahead and pause the video and then just go get your stuff and come right back. Oh, and one more thing. Relax. This is going to be easy. Step 1. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin or cryptocurrency is an electronic payment system. It's based off of cryptographic proof instead of trust, allowing 2 willing parties to transact directly with each other without the need for a trusted third party or bank. This cryptographic proof basically does away with fraud and theft and a lot of things that we used to have with traditional banks. Step 2. Why is it important? Aside from the tremendous financial opportunity that is upon us with Dogecoin and Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency, the state was pretty much blacklisted. Basically what happened was the Department of Financial Institutions, they misinterpreted a law and they basically made it hard for exchanges to do business with Hawaii consumers. And so they pretty much decided not to do it. And as you can see here on Coinbase's website, that is still enacted today. So we can't use Coinbase. But what we can use is we can use the 12 exchanges that they've outlined for us here. Now, I've tried a couple of these, and I'm going to show you in the videos how to register, how to get verified, and how to create a wallet. And then I'm going to show you cold storage wallets. And we're going to go through all these as their videos land here on Android Hawaii on YouTube. Step 3, security. In this day and age of cryptocurrency and new technology, unfortunately, you are responsible for your security. And I'm going to say that again, you're responsible for your security. So if you send your Bitcoin to the wrong address, it's gone. If you make a mistake and you somehow lose the Bitcoin cold storage wallet that you have and you can't find it, it's gone. So you really need to take security seriously when it comes to your investment. What I would like you to do is spend a little bit of time reading over here at bitcoin.org, a little bit about Bitcoin security and just some facts in general. Now, there are scams out there. Here is a list of scams that go on 24/7, and you'll see emails and stuff like that. The important thing to remember is this. First of all, Android Hawaii I would never call you and ask you to send me any type of financial information. It's just not going to happen. And neither will these exchanges. You're not going to get a phone call. Okay, so part of securing your Bitcoin is going to have to do with the cold storage wallet. This is a company called Trezor, and they have a cold storage wallet. This is probably one of the few cold storage wallets that I've ever used where I've had no problems. 0. Trezor's a great company. There's other companies besides Trezor. There is SafePal. SafePal is another popular choice due to its affordability. It's just $40, and look at the features on it. It looks a lot better than the Trezor, but I haven't tested it out yet, and we're going to bring it to you here on the YouTube channel. Okay, as we wrap up the first class here, what I want you to do is copy down a few bookmarks. They're in the description of the video here, and they're very important. It is going to be COINMARKETCAP, Bitcoin.org, and COINDESK. CoinDesk has all the latest news of cryptocurrency, and it also has a great resource guide for learning as well. So we're going to get through this. What I want you to do right now is I want you to go ahead and put together all those supplies that I told you to gather earlier, because now what I would like you to do is head over to video 2, and we're going to start that class, and we're going to get you registered on an exchange. Thank you for watching, and thank you for joining us here at Android Hawaii on YouTube. You can reach us online at androidhawaii.net, and you can also send us an email. That's androidhawaii@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.